Tired of the same old home routine? Let's unlock some hidden gems on Amazon that'll make your space smarter, smoother, and way more fun. From genius kitchen hacks to clever bathroom upgrades, you won't believe what's out there. And wait till you see Gadget Nun 29. It's wild. Number 1. Baseboard Cleaning Tool. Let's face it, cleaning baseboards is one of those chores we all avoid. But this hidden gem completely changes the game. The baseboard cleaning tool has an ergonomic handle and a flexible head that hugs corners and curves like a pro. Its reusable microfiber pads trap dust and grime effortlessly, saving your knees and back from unnecessary strain. No more bending down or scrubbing with a sponge. You can attach it to a pole and clean standing up. It's the kind of gadget that makes you wonder, why didn't I buy this sooner? Whether you're deep cleaning or doing weekly maintenance, this one belongs in every cleaning closet. Number 2. Mini Cordless Vacuum. This mini cordless vacuum may be small in size, but it packs a punch when it comes to power. Perfect for countertops, car seats, keyboards, or the narrow crevices of your couch, this tiny titan makes spot cleaning ridiculously easy. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and comes with precision nozzles that let you reach all the hard-to-get crumbs and dust. Its sleek design means you can keep it handy in the kitchen drawer or office desk without it looking out of place. Best of all, the filter is washable, making it an eco-friendly and low-maintenance solution. Great for parents, pet owners, or anyone who loves a tidy space with zero hassle. Number 3. Blind Duster Rush Dust. Dusting blinds doesn't have to be a time-consuming battle anymore. This blind duster brush is cleverly designed with 3-pronged microfiber arms that slip between slats and trap dust on both sides simultaneously. It's like giving your blinds a hug with a cleaning twist. One swipe cleans the front and back, which cuts your effort in half. The handle is comfortable to grip, and the microfiber sleeves are removable and washable, so you can reuse them for years. It also works on air vents, car blinds, and other slatted surfaces. A simple, affordable solution that actually works. This little tool is a must for people who want their home looking spotless without extra effort. Number 4. Magnetic Window Cleaner. Cleaning high-rise windows used to mean hiring pros or risking your neck on a ladder. This magnetic window cleaner flips the script. It's a 2-piece cleaner. One side goes on the inside of the glass, the other on the outside. They stay magnetically connected, so when you move one, the other follows. Genius, right? Strong rare earth magnets make this tool super effective for double-glazed windows. It scrubs, wipes, and even squeegees in one pass. Plus, there's a safety string in case the outer piece detaches. Ideal for apartments, townhomes, or anywhere with unreachable windows, this gadget will leave your glass streak-free and your stress levels low. Number 5. Pet Hair Remover. Pet lovers, rejoice. This is the secret weapon you've been missing. This pet hair remover tool isn't your typical lint roller. It's reusable, doesn't require sticky tapes or refills, and works better than most vacuums on upholstery. Just roll it back and forth on your furniture, rugs, or even car seats and watch the fur pile up in its hidden compartment. The handle is sturdy, and the roller itself is built to last even with daily use. It's super satisfying to use and a total lifesaver during shedding season. No batteries, no fuss, just clean surfaces and a lot less frustration. If you've got pets, this tool is non-negotiable. Number 6. Toilet Night Light. Late-night bathroom trips just got way cooler and safer. This motion-activated toilet nightlight clips right onto the rim and automatically lights up when you enter the room. No more blinding overhead lights or stubbed toes in the dark. With 8 color options and adjustable brightness, it even doubles as a fun little decor piece. Installation is a breeze, no tools or wiring required. It runs on batteries and shuts off on its own, so it's energy efficient too. Whether you're setting a playful vibe for kids or just want some nighttime convenience, this gadget brings a surprising amount of comfort and charm to your bathroom routine. Number 7. Silicone Dish Scouring Ball. Tired of grimy sponges that smell after a few days? This silicone dish scouring ball is the hygienic upgrade you didn't know you needed. It's made from food-grade silicone that resists bacteria, dries quickly, and won't scratch your dishes. Plus, the design lets it get into tight corners of pots, pans, and even glasses. It's heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe, so cleaning it is super simple. You can even use it for other household tasks like scrubbing sinks or countertops. It lasts way longer than traditional sponges, making it a smart choice for both your wallet and your kitchen. Say goodbye to sponge odor forever. Number 8. Sticky lint roller. This isn't your average lint roller. The reusable sticky lint roller is designed with a gel-like material that captures hair, crumbs, and dust with ease, without the need for tearing off sticky sheets. Simply rinse it with water, let it dry, and it's ready for round 2. It works on clothes, couches, bedding, and even car interiors. It's compact enough to keep in a drawer or glove compartment, and strong enough to replace dozens of single-use rollers. Eco-friendly and budget-friendly, it's one of those everyday tools that'll quickly become part of your routine. Plus, it's oddly satisfying to use, like peeling a face mask, but for furniture. Number 9. Mop and Bucket Set. This isn't your old-school mop and slosh bucket. This Mop and Bucket Set has a built-in wringer system that makes hands-free cleaning easy and efficient. Just insert the flat mop into the rinse compartment, then into the dry slot to spin it nearly dry. No more touching dirty water or twisting mop heads with your hands. The mop head rotates 360 degrees and gets right up against baseboards and under furniture. Microfiber pads are washable and trap dirt like a magnet. The bucket itself is compact and designed with separate clean and dirty water chambers. It's a smart cleaning setup for people who like convenience and cleanliness rolled into one. Number 10. Vacuum dust. Brush attachments dusting those tiny, delicate crevices just got a serious upgrade. This vacuum dust brush attachment is fitted with dozens of small suction tubes that flex and bend to get into vents, drawers, keyboards, or even your car's AC system. It slips onto most vacuum hoses and instantly transforms your standard vac into a precision cleaning tool. Unlike regular nozzles, this one doesn't suck up coins or small pieces. It only grabs dust, dirt, and crumbs, making it safe for sensitive areas like jewelry boxes or tool drawers. It's incredibly satisfying to use and cuts down cleaning time significantly. Perfect for detail-oriented folks who want their space spotless. Number 11. Sweep Turbo. This is not your average broom. Sweep Turbo is a cordless electric sweeper that glides over hardwood floors, tiles, and even low-pile carpets to collect crumbs, dust, and pet hair with ease. It's compact and lightweight, making it ideal for quick daily touch-ups when you don't want to lug out the big vacuum. Its rotating brush head and edge cleaning design let you reach baseboards, tight corners, and under furniture effortlessly. The built-in dust tray pops out for easy emptying. Whether you live in a small apartment or need something for between deep cleans, this gadget makes keeping your floors spotless almost too easy. Number 12. Under-shelf storage basket. Make use of that wasted airspace in your cabinets with this clever under-shelf storage basket. It simply slides onto a shelf, creating an instant drawer for snacks, wraps, utensils, or cleaning supplies. No tools, screws, or installations. Just slide and store. The sturdy metal design holds more weight than you'd expect, and the open wire construction makes it easy to see what's inside. Ideal for kitchen cabinets, closets, or even your home office. This little addition can seriously multiply your storage without taking up an inch of floor space. A minimalist's dream society. Number 13. Home velvet hangers. Say goodbye to slipping straps and tangled hangers. These velvet hangers not only look sleek in your closet, but their non-slip coating keeps your clothes in place. Even those tricky silky tops or spaghetti straps. They're ultra slim too, so you can fit more clothes without overcrowding. The metal hooks swivel 360 degrees for easy hanging from any angle. And the shoulder notches are perfect for dresses or camis. If you're ready to elevate your closet aesthetic and increase functionality, these hangers are an affordable yet luxurious upgrade that makes a difference every single day. Number 14. Utensil Organizer. Drawer clutter, meet your match. This utensil organizer is designed with stacked compartments that let you fit more utensils in less space. Think of it as vertical organization for your kitchen drawer. It guides each spoon, fork, and knife into its own slot for maximum order with minimum effort. The compact footprint means it fits easily in shallow drawers, and it's made from durable, food-safe plastic that's easy to clean. This is perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or anyone tired of jumbled drawers. It's one of those things you didn't know you needed until you try it. Then you can't live without it. Number 15. Under-bed storage tray. If you're not using the space under your bed, you're missing out on premium real estate. This under-bed storage tray slides in and out with ease and is perfect for storing shoes, seasonal clothes, toys, or extra linens. The open-top design means you can see and grab what you need without digging. It's made from sturdy plastic with built-in handles, so pulling it out feels smooth and controlled. Whether you're short on closet space or just want to declutter, this tray helps you stay organized while keeping everything hidden and dust-free. Functional, discreet, and absolutely worth the investment. Product number 16, Fridge Air Purifier. Tired of mystery smells every time you open the fridge? This compact Fridge Air Purifier uses activated carbon and natural ionization to neutralize odors, extend the life of your produce, and keep everything smelling fresh. No more baking soda boxes that barely work. It's battery-powered and compact, so it takes up minimal space while working around the clock. Plus, it requires very little maintenance and can last for months before needing a recharge. If your fridge has ever smelled like last week's leftovers, this gadget is the odor-fighting upgrade you didn't know existed. Number 17, Silicone Drawer Dividers. Drawer chaos is a thing of the past with these silicone drawer dividers. They're flexible, adjustable, and easy to install without tools. Simply place them inside your drawer to create customized compartments for socks, makeup, utensils, or tools. No more digging around for that one item you know is in there somewhere. Unlike rigid plastic dividers, these silicone ones grip the drawer walls without slipping and can bend to fit odd shapes. They're also super easy to clean, making them great for kitchens or bathrooms. An effortless way to bring order to your drawers and peace to your daily routines. Number 18, storage bins. Sometimes the best solutions are the simplest. These stackable storage bins are versatile enough for any room in the house. Think pantry, closet, laundry, even your garage. The clear sides let you instantly see what's inside, and the handles make them easy to pull off a shelf or carry around. They're great for organizing snacks, toiletries, toys, or supplies. You can stack them to save space or line them up for easy access. Durable and minimalist, these bins are perfect for anyone trying to declutter their life in a way that actually lasts. Number 19, Door Shoe Organizer running out of closet space? This over-the-door shoe organizer adds vertical storage without sacrificing floor space. With 24 deep pockets, it can hold shoes, accessories, cleaning products, or even snacks. Yes, we've seen people use them in pantries too. It fits most standard doors and installs easily with metal hooks, no tools needed. The breathable material keeps your shoes from smelling musty, and the transparent pockets let you see everything at a glance. It's a budget-friendly hack for maximizing small space living, and it works way beyond the bedroom. Number 20, Toothbrush Holder Wall-Mounted Upgrade. Your bathroom counter with this sleek wall-mounted toothbrush holder. It features separate slots for brushes, a toothpaste dispenser, and even cups that magnetically attach underneath. It keeps everything clean, organized, and off your sink to free up precious space. Installation is damage-free with its adhesive backing. No need to drill holes. Plus, the toothpaste dispenser gives you the perfect amount every time, which is surprisingly satisfying. Hygienic, stylish, and incredibly useful, this gadget turns your morning routine into a cleaner, smoother experience. Number 21, Magnetic Spice Rack. Running out of cabinet space? This magnetic spice rack is a space-saving lifesaver. It attaches securely to the side of your fridge or any magnetic surface, giving you quick access to your most used spices. The sturdy steel construction means it won't slide or tip, even when fully loaded. It's not just for spices either. You can store oils, sauces, coffee pods, or tea bags. It's ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or anyone who wants a more functional cooking space without drilling or cluttering up the counter. This is smart storage that's equal parts stylish and useful. Number 22, Electric Spin Scrubber. Tired of scrubbing bathroom tiles or shower walls by hand? The electric spin scrubber takes the strain out of deep cleaning. With a powerful motor and interchangeable brush heads, it blasts through grime on tubs, floors, sinks, and even grout lines with minimal effort from you. The extendable handle means no more bending or kneeling, and the cordless design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spots. It's a total backsaver, especially during spring cleaning or big cleanups. If you're looking to make your chores less exhausting, this tool delivers maximum results with minimum sweat. Number 23, Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. If you've got a pressure washer, this attachment will level it up big time. The pressure washer surface cleaner connects right to your washer and makes cleaning large flat surfaces like patios, driveways, and sidewalks 10 times faster and way more even. It uses spinning jets to lift dirt, algae, and stains in seconds. Its circular design keeps the spray contained, so no more getting soaked while you clean. It's great for decks, garage floors, and even pool areas. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or just someone who loves a clean outdoor space, this tool is a must-have for serious curb appeal. Number 24, Microfiber Feather Duster. Say goodbye to disposable dusters and hello to this reusable microfiber feather duster. The long, bendable handle lets you reach up to ceiling fans, behind furniture, and into tight corners without moving a thing. The microfiber bristles trap dust instead of spreading it around, making your cleanups faster and more efficient. It's washable, eco-friendly, and super satisfying to use. Unlike traditional feather dusters, this one doesn't lose its fluff or leave dust behind. It's perfect for allergy sufferers or neat freaks who want a more hygienic way to keep dust in check. A cleaning tool that works hard and lasts long. Number 25, Electric Toothbrush Sanitizer. Sanitizing your toothbrush has never been easier or cooler. This electric toothbrush sanitizer uses UVC light to kill 99.9% of germs and bacteria that collect on your brush between uses. It's compact, rechargeable, and mounts to your bathroom wall for easy access and hygiene. Simply pop your brush inside at and the side. The automatic cycle takes care of the rest. It even doubles as a toothbrush holder, keeping your sink space neat. This is especially handy during cold and flu season, or in shared bathrooms where extra cleanliness counts. Peace of mind in one compact device. Number 26, All-Purpose Shower Squeegee. This sleek all-purpose shower squeegee is the unsung hero of a streak-free bathroom. Its soft silicone blade glides smoothly across glass, tiles, and mirrors, whisking away water before it turns into stubborn soap scum. No more foggy mirrors or grimy shower doors. It comes with a hanging hook or suction mount, so you can store it within easy reach. Whether you're wiping down your windows or giving your car windshield a quick clean, this squeegee gets the job done with minimal effort. A small but mighty tool that makes a big difference in keeping your home fresh and spotless. Number 27, Shower Stall, Matte Slippery. Shower floors are not just annoying, they're dangerous. This shower stall mat grips the floor securely with powerful suction cups and gives you a soft anti-slip surface to stand on. The textured design also adds a gentle massage effect while you shower. Made from mildew-resistant material, it's easy to clean and drains well thanks to the smart hole placement. It's ideal for seniors, kids, or anyone who wants extra stability in the shower. It turns your bath space from slippery to safe without sacrificing comfort or style. Number 28, Clothes Steamer. Skip the ironing board and get wrinkle-free clothes in seconds with this powerful handheld clothes steamer. It heats up in under a minute and delivers continuous steam that smooths out shirts, pants, and even curtains without scorching or needing an ironing surface. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel, small apartments, or those hectic mornings when you're racing out the door. The water reservoir is large enough for multiple garments in one go, and the anti-spill design means you can use it at any angle. Convenience, speed, and polish, all in one smart gadget. Number 29, Duster Refills. If you're already using a reusable or extendable duster, these microfiber duster refills are the ultimate sidekick. They trap dust like magnets, reaching into vents, light fixtures, and furniture edges without releasing allergens back into the air. And when you're done, just toss them in the wash. These refills are soft, durable, and made to last for countless cleaning sessions. They're compatible with most popular dusters and help you reduce waste and cost over time. Eco-friendly and super effective, these little cloths turn a chore into something oddly satisfying. Number 30, Water Leak Detector. This water leak detector is a quiet guardian for your home. Place it under sinks, near washing machines, or by your water heater, and it will alert you the second it senses a leak. That early warning can save you thousands in water damage repairs. The alarm is loud enough to catch your attention even from another room, and the battery lasts for months, sometimes even a year. It's compact, reliable, and gives you serious peace of mind, especially when you're away from home. For a gadget you'll hopefully never need, it's worth every penny. It's a wrap on 30 hidden gems for your home. Who knew Amazon had that much magic? If you found a favorite, drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got even more game-changing gadgets coming your way.